So, howdy. Today we're going to be cutting with thorn. Thorn is the new sharp that I just made here over the weekend. It was a windless Viking sword, but the balance was really weird, and I didn't really like its fittings very much. So I've stolen quite a few of its parts and used them elsewhere. My Tinker one-handed blunt right now, brought on, actually has its pommel and its scabbard, and its guard is actually being put onto a dagger that I'm making. But I really wanted to do something with the blade because I really liked it after I'd kind of fiddled with it a bit. As you can see, I have ground in a new fuller. It still has pretty good temper to it. Made a new scabbard for it. Fabricated a steel crossguard and created a pommel for it using a adjustable collar. The rain guard is actually a napkin holder that I found at the Salvation Army. It's got a bit of an edge on it right now. It's a little bit, it's hard to see, it's so white, but there are hairs on the blade, so it's shaving sharp. Today we're going to try and cut some water bottles with it. I cut a couple the other night, but wasn't really too happy with it. The blade didn't have as good of an edge as it does now. So without further ado, let's try and cut this bottle. Oh, we cut the bottle and destroyed the bird feeder. Damn it. But damn, did it cut the bottle. That's not bad. There's nothing in the bird feeder. I just have to buy Nancy a new bird feeder. But really happy with its performance. That was pretty cool. Let's try another bottle. Let's try a reverso cut. So, that one's a bit harder. The thing came flying. It's a hell of a bottle, look at that. I actually put a nick in it, but it didn't cut it. Let's try that again. Just wants to rocket it. It's a pretty tough bottle. Maybe I overfilled it. Yeah, maybe I overfilled it. Maybe the outside tension is too much. Release some pressure. Now these were refilled. This isn't the sparkling water in it, so. Now that was kind of cool. It cut the top. It didn't quite cut it all the way, so. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, last bottle. That was pretty fun. You can tell I do this all the time, right? No. First time actually cutting bottles, kind of, well, except for sort of an attempt the other night. I think this edge is better. That's still pretty sharp. Interesting cut. Neat.